As an attending, I feel that what makes Dartmouth unique is that it's a particularly nurturing environment. I think that for the most part, the leaders of the department are very, very supportive of each and every faculty member, no matter what their interests are. So if their interests are clinical education or teaching, there's support for that. If there's interest in basic science, research, or collaborations with electrical engineering, that's supported. Nobody's ever discouraged from pursuing something that is worthwhile. There isn't necessarily pressure or requirement to do research if that's not your cup of tea. We have other opportunities for residents to pursue scholarly activity, including support to participate in electronic exhibition or educational exhibit development to be presented at national meetings, for example. The department actually encourages our residents to attend national meetings, and we've had residents successfully present their projects and their exhibits at national meetings, including the RSNA. More recently, we had multiple residents have exhibits and posters accepted to Roentgen Ray. R.A.W is an acronym that stands for the Resident Abstract Workshop. This is an initiative that I've worked with Dr. Rehan Khan with. This is a workshop that we host twice a year, once in the summer and once in the late winter, early spring. And the idea is there is a series of 6 weeks, weekly sessions where residents will meet and discuss ideas for abstracts for submission to major national meetings. In the summer, we're targeting the abstract deadlines for the Roentgen Ray Society and AUR, and also many of these subspecialty national meetings, which have their abstract deadlines in the fall. In the winter and spring, we're targeting the RSNA abstract deadline, which is typically in April. And the idea is to have residents discussing with each other possible ideas, honing their ideas for abstracts, and then presenting their abstract ideas to each other to get feedback, so that by the time the 6-week program is completed, there's a polished abstract for submission. There are many opportunities to collaborate with other departments. One good example is a recent collaboration that we've been building with the Quantitative Biomedical Sciences program here at Dartmouth. In particular, many of our faculty and residents have worked closely with Dr. Syed Hassanpour, who is a computer scientist by training and whose research interests include machine learning and artificial intelligence. As Vice Chair of Research, some of the other opportunities I'm looking for and relationships I'm looking to cultivate include, for example, expanding possibilities for collaboration. So one of the ideas that Dr. Hassanpour and I have been working on is possibly now having a 3-way collaboration between radiology, pathology, and artificial intelligence. The New England Roentgen Ray Society is a radiology society in the region of New England. This includes departments in the Boston area, but all over New England, including Vermont, Maine, New Hampshire, Connecticut. It gives both faculty and trainees the opportunity to interact with residents, trainees, and faculty in other departments in New England. Much of the focus is on education, the education for trainees. So every 2 or 3 months, there are educational sessions on a Friday afternoon in which Dartmouth residents have protected time where they can attend lectures by a keynote speaker that's often brought in from outside of New England, and then multiple other speakers from the various programs within the New England area. And often there's a particular topic. It might be neuroradiology for 1 month, another month it might be global health, another month in, say, our upcoming program might be artificial intelligence in radiology. One opportunity for a Dartmouth Radiology resident to be more involved with the New England Roentgen Ray Society would be to become a radiology resident representative. In that role, the resident attends all the executive committee meetings, which happen about 3 times a year. And it gives that resident a chance to provide input on some of the curriculum objectives, even some of the global goals and objectives for the New England Roentgen Ray, and actually have an impact on the future direction of the society.